Okay, so in this course, what I'm going to show you is how to become successful like I was in the massage industry, which is no easy task, which I guess is why you're here, because this is why I put this course together. Here's the heartbreaking fact in the massage industry, right? But don't worry, it's good news. I'm going to give you the answers. But did you know that within 3 to 6 years, the vast majority of massage therapists have left the massage industry? So you think about all those years of study, all those thousands of dollars, but they could not make it financially. Within 3 to 6 years, the vast majority of massage therapists have moved on to another profession, which is even more heartbreaking because the reason we do massage therapy is, well, we want to make a living, but we do it because we love it, don't we? Right, but again, don't worry, this is not a bad news story. I'm going to show you the answers in this course. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Now, add to that, even if those massage therapists did manage to make it financially, then within 3 to 5 years, up to 90% of them have burnt out physically. So they managed to get enough clients to make it financially, but then they couldn't do the physical work. So I'm going to teach you techniques as well, so that not only I'm going to show you the marketing, the promotions, booking, rebooking, how you make more money per client, more bang for your buck. And as you're about to learn, it's always win-win in this course. So you make more money and your client will be happier and they'll be coming back more and they'll be referring more. And all of this snowball effect, you're going to have just like I did. I'm going to show you everything. You will have the blueprint in this course, okay? Because I want you to be as successful as I was, or more successful, right? So this is what we're going to do. And here's the other good news I'm going to finish with. Massage industry is a growth industry. It's projected in the next 10 years to increase by around 20%. We don't have to worry about AI. We're not getting taken over by AI. So all you need to know is what I'm going to teach you in this, what made us successful, which will make you successful, okay? That's what we're going to do. We're going to look at every component possible to do what we did so that you can become successful in the massage industry as well.